Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mscrisssy, and for today's video, it's super unexpected. I have no idea that I was going to do this video. I was actually in the middle of putting an outfit together for my Instagram content, and I was like, you know what? Instead of doing this right now, let me just go ahead and get ready, put some makeup on, do my hair real quick, and pick up the camera and show you guys the process on how I put an outfit together. So yeah, I have no idea that I was gonna do this video, so let me just say that I apologize because my room is pretty messy right now. All the clothes is everywhere. It's all over the place right now. So I have some clothes right there that I shot from last time. My vanity is super messy right now, and what's holding the camera is this little tripod that I got from Best Buy. I just did my hair recently, so got my hairspray out. What is that? Got some beanies out. I got this from LA Kush and then Supreme. Obviously I have my computer right here. Super messy right now. Anyways, I have no idea why I'm showing you guys this, but here's what the room looks like. Okay, so it looks a lot better. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm going to be doing, but I know that I have to put an outfit together for my Instagram, and I need to shoot outside as soon as possible before the sun goes down. Half of this stuff I probably have shot already. The main reason why is because I probably donate the clothes already, or I post it on my Depop. I don't have any new clothes at the moment. So I went thrifting. I love thrifting. I try to go once a week for the summertime, only because, like, I don't know, maybe I'm just really into like vintage stuff at the moment, so that's what really got me to like go back into thrifting. Outfit that I put together is this top right here. This is from Gap. Well, it's actually from the thrift store, but the brand is from Gap. I cut them out because I have no idea, but I love it like this. And the bottom is actually from Mscrisssy. You guys probably seen me wear this on my Instagram already. And then this blazer is actually from the thrift store, and I believe I got it for like $6, pretty cheap. And I was like, great, this is super nice, I love it, I would definitely wear it. And here's the outfit that I put together with this, and probably add some necklace. And then I'm just gonna put this together like this, just like that. And then probably add my Nike socks and my Nike Air Force. You guys know that I love my Nike Air Force. So yeah, let me just go ahead and put this together. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I actually washed this last night or yesterday. Our dryer is actually broken at the moment, so I just air dried them, which is actually cool. I'm too lazy to get it clean outside, so yeah. Since I have no idea that I'm going to do this video, I believe that I actually got this from Missguided. This came with the Playboy necklace. And I have this one that I got from Public Desire. Freaking love this. I just got it recently, and I am in love with it. Here's what the outfit looks like. Here's the first one. And the sunglasses that I have for this is this one from Zero UV. All my glasses are from Zero UV. I have tons of glasses from them. Here's the bag. This is from Pretty Little Thing. So what I'm gonna do, either I would hold it like this for a picture. Okay. I love that the orange stands out. I love the white and gray. Okay, so either that, or I would like this. I still don't know how to use this freaking bag. Oh, I like this. This is kind of cute. But I still need to figure out how to use it, because as you guys can see, I'm having a hard time. So yeah, this is the first outfit that I put together before I decided to shoot or did my makeup. And that's when I was like, let me go ahead and actually film and show you guys the process. So I already know exactly what I'm going to be wearing for a photo shoot. So here is the outfit. So I got this from Missguided. I'm a little bloated, but that's fine. I got this from the thrift store, and this blazer is from the thrift store. Pretty Little Things, Zero UV, Nike Air Force, and Nike socks. And did my hair. This is like my signature. And yeah, what do you guys think? So the second outfit, I have no idea what I'm gonna be wearing, but let me just show you guys. Let's go ahead and figure it out. Okay, so I really want to shoot this because I just recently got this. Camel pants is super timeless. You can wear this any day, fall, you know, winter, summertime. I feel like it just goes with a lot of things most of the time, so hopefully I don't end up giving this away. I believe I got this for $14. I'm sure if you get this from Urban Outfitters, this would probably be like $120. So it's definitely a steal. I have this mirror right here and I'm just looking at myself. I'm like, this looks good. Oh, before I put everything away, forgot to show you. Whenever I have my outfit together like this, like I style some outfit, I would pick up my phone and take a picture, so whenever I'm out and about doing some photo shoot, my boyfriend would pick up my clothes in the trunk and he'll be like, okay, I know exactly what to get from the trunk. Kind of want to change it up since I'm wearing this top already. For that, I'm gonna wear this corset that I've been fucking looking for a long time, because the first time when I picked this up, they didn't have a tag, so they couldn't sell it for me. And I asked them like, oh, you know, when do you think you guys will get it back out? They're like, oh, it's probably gonna take like another 2 days, and it ended up being like a whole entire week. So this is pretty tight. So ooh, this is kind of like a look right here. Look, this is kind of cute. So what I would do, ooh, it's so tight. Ah! I would tuck it in. But this is the look right here. It's different. Now if I have this, like, if I cut this off like this would be a look. This is a cute outfit. I love how this fits on me. Look at this. Babe, babe, babe. I need you.
So,
Which one? Should I leave it like this or like this?
like that, more on your right,
The right
foot.
side?
That's a cute outfit.
I have tons of sunglasses. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but I've been wearing the same thing over and over again because I feel like this goes with a lot of my outfits. And clothes everywhere. I got the Supreme bag. I've had it for about almost a year now. I actually got it last year, and I feel like I've worn it so many times and I'm so fed up wearing it now. I want to go with this outfit because I can already see myself wearing this anyways, and I know this is my style. So again, I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom in because I'm pretty far away from the mirror, and then just take a picture. I got this from the thrift store, the same thrift store that I got the gray one from. And let's see, what should I wear with this? I'm just gonna wear this top that I got from the thrift store as well. I believe this was only like 94 cents. So a lot of you guys asked me about this jeans, and I got this from Melrose when I was in LA last month, and it's been like my go-to. I would probably not wear the big necklace for this. I got the shorts from Curl Thing. Ooh, I would probably wear this for this. Okay, I don't know if I'm liking it. There's something else that's missing though, for sure. I'm gonna put a belt. Okay, so this is what I would rock it. So maybe put this down a little so it can show. Ooh. Okay, let me know. This outfit looks so good. So this is my little bag from Pretty Little Thing. I would probably wear this one since it's brown. And this is where I put my camera. That camera that I'm using right now for this video. Probably wear this little clip. I don't know if I'm liking the clip. I don't know. Which one should I use? I have two different earring sets in red. The heart, or this little, looks like it's made out of like soda can, and it says sugar 35 gram. And I believe, yeah, this is definitely from like a soda can. It looks like from Coke. Ooh, I would probably wear the soda can earrings. Let's go ahead and ask my boyfriend for approval. Babe, come here please.
Can I not be in camera?
That's fine. But I have this earrings. Since I have two red earrings, I decided to just put two different ones. That's because I know that I like it. Just in case if you guys are wondering, a lot of you guys think that I'm a size medium, but I'm actually a size small. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing, but I know that I have to wait a little bit later because right now it is only 3:23, and I still have a lot of time to kill until I'm ready to shoot. Either I shoot now and just deal with the sun, or wait until a little bit later, which is like around 6:30 to 7. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you guys learned anything from me. Like this video, turn your post notification on, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Mscrisssy, because you'll see me there every single day. I'm always trying to engage with you guys. I love talking to you guys, and I love telling you guys about my story. I don't know if you guys follow me yet, but if you are from my Instagram and you're watching my video right now, thank you so much for supporting me and just being there for me throughout my journey. But yeah guys, let me go ahead and take this out now, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.